Hey guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm going to try and save my little candle. I've had this for a long time and it's chipped away, so I'm going to paint it. And what I'm going to use is Delta's Candle and Soap Painting Medium. Okay, the first thing that it says to do is clean it with alcohol. And once you have the candle clean, you mix equal parts of the candle and soap painting medium and paint. And I'm using red apple. And I'm just going to mix these together and start painting. Let me see how it does on the top where it's cracked first. Oh, you can barely see the crack now. And I actually like this color. But it's leaving streaks, so I think I need a softer brush. Let's try this one. Oh, that's much better. And I'll be back when I'm done. This actually didn't turn out too bad, although you can still see the chip. But it's definitely brightened it up and it's given it new life. But you know me, I can't leave well enough alone. I'm going to cover it with glitter. So what I got out was my glossy Mod Podge and some extra fine red glitter. And I'm going to be just putting a coat of the Mod Podge on the candle and then sprinkling it over a folded piece of paper. You know how I am with this. You fold a piece of paper when you put your glitter on, and that way you can put it right back in. So I'm going to get busy putting on the Mod Podge. I'm going to be doing one part at a time since this is round. I'm just going to do the bottom first, then I'll come up and do the top. But I'm going to let this dry so that I can hold it. I'm putting a decent amount on here. And then I'm going to set this aside to dry enough so that I can lift it again. And so far I like that. But then again, it's glitter. Of course I'm going to like it. Okay, it's dry enough for me to hold. So I'm just going to repeat the same process for the top. And I'm even going to put some up here. And since this candle is so old, it's going to hide a lot of the scratches and dents that it's had over the years. And we're just going to give it some new life. And that's why I always use folded paper for my glitter. It goes right in with very little waste. And the candle, I'd say that's quite a change. Now I might hit this with a spray of hairspray to keep the glitter on the candle. Or I might hit it with another coat of Mod Podge. We'll see. I decided to get out the trusty Instant Freeze and give it a good coat. And I'm covering the wick because I am going to use this. And that should take just a minute or two to dry. And we'll light this up and see how it looks. Okay, let's light this baby up and see how it looks. I'm going to turn out the lights. Ooh, look at that sparkle. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.